30-second ankle, knee, hip, pelvis break. Knee circles. Let's get up out of your chair, come with me. Feet shoulder width apart. Your pelvis, tuck it up. Imagine a wine glass. You don't want any wine spilling out the front. So you're just going to tuck that pelvis up. Then I want you to bend your knees about 10-15 degrees. Level 1, can we just get the knees to move laterally? So the pelvis is not moving, our feet are not coming off the ground, it's just the knees, and then the other way. Like the knees are becoming a windshield wiper. Nice and steady. Don't go beyond pain. So if you've got knee issues, you can just gently push into it till you get like a 3 out of 10 in terms of input/discomfort. Each time, just go that little bit further. Level 2, we want to do a circle, guys. So starting straight, knees bent, out to the side, bring the knees across, to the other side, come back to straight. Knees bent, around, super slow, works best. You're going to feel your ankles, your knees, your hips, your pelvis all get involved. Remember, you don't want the feet coming off, you don't want to be leaning over here. Try everything stays midline except the knees. We're going to draw nice smooth circles, change direction. And old ankle injuries, you start feeling where there's a bit of sleep in the heel, on the outside of the ankle. With the speed building, I find I'm concentrating, my body's having to wake up. I'm really activating both sides of the brain. Circles are always more complex than straight lines. You get a networked effect, your brain wakes up, your posture changes, your ankles feel brilliant. That's how you do knee circles.